Hi all, welcome back to our channel. In the first part of this series, I have shown you the solution for this problem, that is product of array except self. For this problem, I have shown you the solution using the approach one, that is we iterate through all elements of array and then multiply elements except the one at position I. That is the approach one. I have shown you that approach in the part 1 video. Okay, in the second part, that is in this part, I'm going to show you the solution for the same problem, that is product of array except self, using approach 2, that is prefix and suffix arrays. Okay, as part of this approach, we are going to build products from left and right and then combine. Okay, let me give an overview of the algorithm here. So we are going to create a prefix array where prefix of I equal to product of all elements to the left of the position I. So and then we create a suffix array where suffix of I equal to product of all elements to the right of position I. After that we combine or we multiply both prefix and then suffix to get the result at position I. Okay, that's an overview of algorithm which we are going to use to create solution using approach 2 for the problem product of array except self. Okay, let me start creating function for the same. Const product except self prefix suffix equals to, it's a function which takes an argument, that is array nums array. Okay, so inside the function, first let me get the length of array. Okay, let n equal to nums dot length. Okay, after that let's initialize an array. Okay, an array to store product of all elements to the left of the position I. Okay, for that let me take an array prefix product equals to new array and then of length n fill with 1. Okay, so this is to store. Okay, to store product of all elements to the left of position I. This is prefix I. Okay, in the similar way, let me take another array, that is suffix product equals to, let me copy this. Okay, so this array is to store product of all elements to the right of position I. Okay, nothing but, let me add a comment here. It's a prefix of I, suffix of I. Okay, we are going to use this array to store, okay, product of all elements to the left of position I, and then this array to store product of all elements to the right of position I. Okay, now let me create result array. New array of length n. Okay, now as I said, first get the prefix product and then suffix product. After that combine both the products to get the result. Okay, for that, for let I equals to 1, I less than n, I plus plus. Okay. So here what we are going to do is, why we started from index 1 is, for index 0 there is no left. Okay, that's the reason we started from index 1. Okay, so here prefix product of I equals to previous prefix I minus 1 star element to the left, that is nums of I minus 1. Okay, this will store the product of all elements to the left of position I. Okay, so once we complete this for loop, we get left product. Okay, we get the left product. Now after this, let's use one more for loop to get the right product. Okay, that is j equals to n minus 2, j greater than or equal to 0, j minus minus. Okay, so inside for loop, we simply take the suffix product of j. Okay, and then suffix product of j plus 1, that is next suffix. Okay, that means to the right, and then multiply with nums of j plus 1, that means element to the right. So this will give product of right product. So now to get the result, let's combine both left product and then right product. So let k equal to 0, k less than n, k minus 1, sorry, k plus plus. Okay, so inside this we simply store the final result into result array. Result of k equals to prefix product k into suffix product. This will give the final result. Okay, after that we simply return the result. That's it. Let's test this using the same which we used for approach 1. Let's comment here and then come down, and then let's replace the function name here. Clear the output first. Now run this program. Okay, we got error here at 62. Why 62? Okay, we missed. Let's run it. See here, now we got the same result. Okay, so this is all about approach 2. Okay, thanks for watching. Please do like, subscribe, and